We all know dental implants, they're an investment. They're not inexpensive, but it's important to also realize that as an investment, that you get a really good return on these for your quality of life. And as you're looking at getting these done, it's important to ask those right questions. For example, you can ask the question, does the office have the right technology? Or is it going to be done right the first time? With the right technology, the implants can be placed appropriately. It'll reduce the chances of anything needing to be redone in the future. You may ask if they have what the relationship is with the lab, and if they have a lab in office. Having a lab in office can save a lot of costs. You may also make sure that the office does everything in-house. As far as placing the implant, restoring the implant, traditionally you'll see a lot of practices that will refer you to another location to get work done, and they'll refer you to another location, and then refer you to a third location, and every time you go over there, you're getting charged for different exams, different things like that. It's nice that you show up in one place, and from A to Z, you know confidently it's going to be done right, and ask the question, what kind of payment options there are. By asking those questions, hey, you know it's going to be done right the first time. You know they have the best technology. You know the office is equipped. You may ask how the staff is trained. Make sure it's someone who knows the whole process from start to finish. And when you have that, it'll give you some confidence that it's going to be done right, and you'll be really happy with it, and it will improve your lifestyle. Done right, even then you want to take good care of it. We still have patients come in for a regular check with the hygienist. Make sure things are healthy. We give some instructions on how to care for it when you come in. Very basic things that would make a big difference. By doing a couple steps that we will outline when you come in, this is something that will last you, the rest of your life. You'll be really happy with it.